Hi guys, another letter. Yep, I know. We gotta learn these letters though, okay? This is the letter G, uppercase G, lowercase g. It's kind of tricky to write, but I need you to practice writing these letters too. Uppercase G, lowercase g. Remember, letters can't talk. They can only make a sound. I wonder what sound G makes. It's not J, J. I know a lot of you think G is J, J. Nope, that's J. Look at this. This is a G, G, goose. So G makes the sound G, G, goose, goose. G says G. G says G. Goose, goose. G says G. Here's some other words that start with the letter G, 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 gorilla, gorilla, G, 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 gorilla. Ooh, I like to eat these. Yeah, G, G, grapes. Let me hear you. G, G, grapes. Yes. G, 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 grapes. G, G, girl. G, G, girl. There's your letter G. G, G, girl. I hope you're saying these with me. I need to hear the sound that it makes. G, G, goat. G, G, goat. G says G, G, goat. Yes, green. G, 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 green. There's letter G. G, G, green. G, green. We just have been talking about plants. Here's a G, G, garden. G, G, garden. G, 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 garden. Good job, you guys. And some of you like to chew this. Yeah, gum. Don't chew it in school, though. G, G, gum. Letter G. Says G for gum. So, here's letter G. Uppercase G, lowercase. Do you have a G in your name? Let me know if you do. Letter G says G. G says G. G says G. Goose, goose. G says G. Thumbs up, guys. Keep practicing.